Hey guys, Mike here, and in this clip I'm going to show you some of my favorite free Android games. I'm having such videos from time to time just to let you know what's good out there, so if you're playing games on your Android devices too, you might want to subscribe for my next updates. Anyway, we'll start with a game called Benji Bananas. This is a casual game with beautiful graphics, and it should work fine on any Android devices launched in the last years. You're going to have to help Benji travel through the jungle while collecting bananas to earn points and power-ups. The game's mechanics are simple, you have to swing Benji along ropes, but it can get quite challenging as there are obstacles to avoid, different types of ropes to use, special powers to unlock, and so on. Overall, it's definitely a fun experience. Subway Surfers is a similar title, with colorful cartoonish graphics and simple gameplay. Over here you have to help Jack, Tricky and Fresh escape from the grumpy inspector trying to catch them, while of course surfing through trains, collecting coins and power-ups. This game is definitely a lot of fun and very addictive, so it's a great way to spend some of your free time. Next on the list is a different kind of game, Real Racing 3, a racing simulator. It's a free game but has an in-app purchase system if you want to progress faster. Anyway, the game is complex and looks astonishing, but that means that it will only run flawlessly on the latest Android devices. What matters is that you'll get many hours of play with this one, tons of cars to buy and upgrade, tons of races to attend, so I guarantee that if you're into racing games, you'll really enjoy that. Eternity Warriors 2 is another great free title. It's an RPG like Diablo with astonishing graphics and nice gameplay. You'll need a decently powerful handset to run it smoothly, but not necessarily the latest releases. And the game is complex and addictive, and you'll definitely have fun with it while exploring maps, battling with many types of monsters, looting treasures and upgrading your character. all while playing by your own or alongside your friends in multiplayer. If you're into zombies games, you'll probably like Earn to Die. This title should work fine on all Android devices and it's pretty fun. You have to drive through various maps filled with zombies, break through obstacles and reach the destination as fast as possible. You've got several vehicles at your disposal, plus tons of upgrades for them, and you can play the game by yourself or challenge your friends. Either way, Earn to Die is going to be fun. Vector is another simple but addictive game. In this game you're basically a runner and have to complete various races while performing parkour-inspired moves. And that's because the races take place on rooftops, inside buildings and all sorts of other modular environments filled with obstacles. That means that you'll have to run, vault, slide and climb your way through the map while competing against a challenging computer opponent. So this is not a simple game, but once you'll master the moves, you're really going to like it. World of Arms is another complex game with nice graphics that should work just fine on most Android handsets. In this game you have to build an empire and dominate your adversaries. In a way, it's a Civ type game where you have to develop your country, build armies, conquer enemies and so on. There's also a social aspect involved, as you can connect with your Facebook friends and help each other during the game. All in all, if you're into these types of strategy games, World of Arms can be a great time to spend some hours. Okay, and that's about it for now. I think you'll like these titles, so don't forget to leave a thumbs up for this video if you do. You should also know that I will get back with more free Android games in the next weeks and months, so you might want to stay tuned for those updates. And if you know any good free Android game, tell me about it in the comments below. Alright, see you later then.